Welcome back, guys. We're gonna jump into creating your first ad. Maybe you've run a Facebook ad before, but let's go through and let's put one together and let's just assume you haven't done one before. But even if you have, you're bound to learn a whole bunch along the way. So let's get started with that. Now, this is a module from Facebook Ads for Service Businesses course. And some of you may have seen this before through our blog. We've actually put this one slide, done a little bit of information on this. Now, the value ladder is really important, and this is basically how we profit with Facebook ads. So in the example here, we've got value down the side, we've got customers that are coming in along the bottom there, little smiley faces. And this dentist example, what he's doing is he's offering his Facebook ad as a free or a low-cost teeth cleaning, so like $7 teeth cleaning or free. So people are going to jump on it because everybody loves a good teeth cleaning. And then let's say he's got 100. I recently worked with a dentist, and we actually ran a teeth cleaning promo, and we had I can't remember the exact number, but let's say 100, right? 100 people that grabbed the voucher, and we had 70 people that actually showed up. And out of those 70 people that got the low-cost teeth cleaning, quite a number of them, I think, let's say, for example, that 10 of them end up coming in for a cleaning every 6 months. It's like $50, so you make an extra $500 there annually. Then, out of the 70 people that came in, you got like 5 who decided to get whitening while they were there. And whitening's like an extra couple $100. You build a little whitening kit. The dentist says, your teeth are looking a little bit yellow, and we can definitely help you out with that. You don't drink coffee, blah, blah, blah. And then instantly, you've got 5 extra sales at $200. That's an extra, $1,000. And then, say one person gets an implant out of that 70 people who got the voucher. One person needs an implant. They had an X-ray. Dentist's like, oh look, we've got an issue with this tooth. You said you had a bit of pain. Boom, $3,000 implant. That's a lot of extra money coming into the business when, I think the spend on the Facebook ad was a couple of $100 initially, but like it says down in the left-hand corner, marketing's not a cost. Marketing generates a return on investment. I like to say this again and again because it's the most important thing you can think about when it comes to running your Facebook ads is don't look at how much you're spending, look at how much you're making as a result of the ads that are running. So you spend $200, but $1,000 in whitening, $3,000 in an implant, that's $4,000 plus an extra $500 annually. So you're already looking at $4,500 up as a result of spending $200. So a total profit of $4,200 in that short space of time running that Facebook campaign. So this is how we profit with Facebook ads. And if you haven't already taken our Elegant Business Model course, make sure you take that because I'm going to show you exactly how to set up in your existing business. I'm going to show you how to set up your existing business so that you can make more profits without spending more money on marketing, and to maximize the amount you're making from your current customer. Because as we say, your best customer is your current customer. So if you increase the lifespan of your customer, then you increase your profits. And that's a really important aspect. So just wanted to share that slide with you guys. That is from our Facebook Ads for Service Businesses course. If you've been enjoying this course and you've got a lot out of it, hope you've gotten a lot of value, then definitely consider if you decide to buy the Facebook Ads for Service Businesses course. So how to create your first ad. This is really what we want to do. Now, we like to use a prize draw just to get your feet wet. A prize draw is a really simple post because it allows you to boost a post. It gets a lot of organic traffic. What's in it for you is awareness marketing. So people get aware of your business and it becomes more top of mind and people are more likely to chit chat about your business, and so that's really good. And chances are if you set up your Facebook page the way that we showed you in this course, you get people clicking through to your website and signing up for one of your services, or different people grabbing your service. So it's a win-win situation. You're getting your business out there, you're putting something valuable out into the community, and then what's coming back is, you're getting some customers as well. So what's in it for your customer? It's not just about our business, about what we can provide them. So it could be just a little special offer. And really down the bottom here, awareness marketing, like I touched on. So awareness marketing is letting people in your area know that your business exists. And limited offer marketing is where you have we're giving away 30 vouchers. They're for a free teeth cleaning. There's only 30 available. We don't usually do this. It's a really crazy offer to promote our dental clinic. But click the link below and grab your voucher. So when you combine those two types of marketing, it creates a powerful synergistic effect. You're getting people learning all about your business, and they're getting a really good experience, a really good first impression. And then you're, of course, got your limited offer, which is encouraging those people that have been on the fence, that have heard about your business, to finally take action and actually jump in there. So let's design your first prize draw post. So we want to design your copy first, okay? So we've got an example here of the copy, and then we've got a couple examples. So first of all, the copy is the text that's above the image, okay, in your Facebook post. So you want to go onto your Facebook page. We're actually going to walk you through this in a second, but let's cover this stuff first. So this one says, "Hey Christchurch peeps, it's James here. I'm doing something crazy to promote our pizza shop. We're giving away 5 vouchers for a large Italian pizza for free. Only 5 vouchers available. To go in the draw, simply like, comment, and share this post. Winners," and then you got a little thing about the winners. So winners are drawn on the 4th of July. Check back soon. The other example could be, it's written in a slightly different way, and at first glance it reads a little bit different, but it's still the same, okay? You might choose to experiment with both variations. So the first one is you got block text or all caps text at the top to kind of like draw the eye. So Christchurch, large Italian pizza giveaway. So you're like telling people what it is right away. And then the copy is Romano's Pizzeria, giving away 7 delicious pizzas over the next 48 hours. To be in to win, simply like this post and tag a friend in the comments, and winners will be drawn on the 4th of July. So check back here soon. Good luck. So that's really the copy. It doesn't have to be anything long, doesn't have to be elaborate, it doesn't have to be anything in particular about your business, just giving people an opportunity to sort of share it out there. And this really, when you boost a post like this, it goes organic, it goes viral in your area, and you're able to get heaps of people jumping in the draw for this. And people who don't win will still be like, "Oh well, you know what, I still want a pizza," and they end up coming in or still want that service, because in a way, from an NLP standpoint, a lot of you guys know that I'm training NLP. From an NLP standpoint, they're still pre-framing to themselves that they would love a pizza, okay? So, and it's gonna be on their Facebook wall, right? So if they're sharing the post, it's gonna be on their Facebook wall. So every time they check their Facebook page or their Facebook itself, it's got a picture of a pizza in it. So that's like that unconscious marketing happening, and also they've already signaled to themselves they like a pizza. So now these are just some images. Now it could be an image of like the vouchers themselves. So you've just like taken a photo of those. So that's an example here. That's like a taco example. Or another example could be the picture of, say, the pizza or the taco. So like this is just a taco example. So it could just be like a straight out example. So you can post your prize draw after you've got your picture together. You can post it as a boost post, and you can boost the post directly for people who like your page and people who are friends of people who like your page. That's always a good one. You might want to, in that one, you might want to target the location as well. That's what I recommend. Or you can launch the post as an ad and really narrow in on a specific type of audience. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to put this post together first. Let me just skip back quickly. Alright, so we're just going to jump over here and okay, so let's go into Okay, we're gonna put on Thrive Entrepreneur as a example, and then I'll just delete it later. Okay, cool. Let's do the example of. Let's just flick these screens here. Let's do the second copy example. So Christchurch, large Italian pizza giveaway. Christchurch, large Italian pizza giveaway. Romano's. Pizza. Ooh. Cheers, giving away. Just bear with me, guys, while we're putting this together. I want to show you guys exactly how we would roll it out all the way through. There it is. To be and to win, simply like, comment, and share this post. Simply like this post. This post and tag a friend in the comments. Okay, so we didn't ask them to share in this particular one. Winners will be announced. Winners will be drawn on the 4th of July. So check back. So and this encourages people to interact with your page, to continue watching your page. So it's really cool. Okay, and let's just jump into real quickly. Let's just grab a random pizza image. Now, I don't recommend that you're just randomly grabbing images, but just for this example, we'll just quickly grab one. Now, let's go pizza Instagram, because that'll probably give us the right size, 1080 by 1080. Yeah, let's go. Because you want to get one that's eye-catching, okay? Let's see, pizza image, Instagram, just to get the sizing. All right, this one's 960, 960. It's got to be a square image, yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Let's just go with this top one here, because that's kind of catchy. Okay, so let's save picture as. Save it into downloads. Quit off of that. Let's add the image. Boom. Okay, so easy as that, yeah? Let's publish this one. Okay, so now that it's published, the next step is we're going to, we can boost the post. So you'll notice there's a little button down here. Anyway, so we've got that up. So let's flick back over to the slide just to make sure I'm not missing anything for you guys. Okay, boost post, likes and free. Okay, so let's go ahead and boost the, let's just see. Okay, cool. So let's go through and boost the post, because that's the easiest way first. And then we'll show you, oh, need some water. Okay. So boost post, click the button, brings up some options. People you choose through targeting. So you want to hit, what else we got down here? Account setup, run it for 1 day, 7 days, 14 days. If you got a wee while, you can run it for 7 days. You can run a total budget. So the max you'll spend is say $29. Let's hit edit for the audience here. So you can go anyone, any age is open. Christchurch, Canterbury is pretty good. We can actually select the radius here usually, so within 10 miles or say within 10 miles. Okay, so that's the minimum with this particular type of targeting. I'll show you guys a little trick here. This could be really handy if you got a business that's got a targeted location. So you click drop pin. And you can click say if you got heaps of people in Mirabel, you want to, if your restaurant's in Mirabel, so you click that. Quit off Christchurch, Canterbury, and then you can, it actually lets you narrow it down to 1 mile within your business. So you can see here Mirabel is the only suburb selected. Or if you want to bump it out to say 3 miles, people are willing to travel a little bit further. There you go. See, so I think, you know, say if it's a restaurant and it's a really well-known restaurant, you could, you know, bump it out to that to say 2 miles. Usually it says kilometers, but we'll just leave that for now. Now search interests. So this can be different interests. Page likes. Usually it gives you an opportunity to focus on people who like your page already, which it seems like it's already going to do that though. So let's just hit save on that. So already targeted there, duration targeted. So all you do there is you have boost and it will literally run it for you straight away. Cool. Okay, so let's cancel that one. All right, and so by doing that, it's gonna boost the post to people who like your page and their friends. And because we targeted that Christchurch, that location, we dropped the pin. It's also going to target people only who like the page and their friends, but only people who are in that particular location area. And of course, you can expand it out more if you wish. Okay, let's jump back to our slides. So next one is launching the post as an ad and targeting a specific audience. So you want to go into your ads manager through manage adverts, and you want to jump into the Power Editor. Now, usually you really got to be using Google Chrome. I'm not sure why it was letting me use, because I'm using like Explorer Express or something at the moment. I got a new laptop which has got some random stuff on it. It doesn't really like Google Chrome, but so you want to jump into your Power Editor, and you want to go to create new campaign. And some of the key points when creating your ad is you want to set it for ongoing. Don't set a date for completion, because you can just go in and pause the ad whenever you want. So, you know, if you decided you spent enough on the ad itself, then you can just go in and, you know, pause the ad, and you can resume it whenever you want, even if it's months later. Or if you've hit your targets, you can just lower the daily spend so that the ad's still running, but it's only spending like $1 a day or something. Link clicks, so set them to automatic, not manual. I'll show you all the stuff in a second. Age range, one key is try not to have an age range of more than 10 years. This is because the further open your age range becomes, the less specific your sort of niche targeting. If you're in the food industry, it's probably not so much of a big deal, unless you're, you know, say if you run a nightclub or a bar and you're wanting to promote a drink special, then whiskey is probably going to be more for the older guys who are in the working, you know, older working professionals. Whereas if you're recommending bourbon or something, then maybe it's for maybe the younger crowd, maybe the 20 to 30 year olds. So gender as well. So a lot of the time you'd have a separate ad for men and women. So if you're running a gym ad and you're doing like a win 6 weeks of personal training prize draw, and you've only got, you know, one to give away, then you'd run the ad, you know, you'd have it like pink or something for women, or you'd like craft it for women, like win 6 weeks of training with a woman trainer, you know, for ladies only, and you just, you know, boost it out that way. So it does depend on your service with your gender selection. If it's food, then obviously you don't always need to select gender, but it depends what sort of, you know, if you're doing a high tea party, then of course you'd select just women. But if you're doing like a three-course set menu, or like a pizza promo like the one I mentioned, then it would be, yeah, it could be both genders. And like I said earlier, so you only select the ads for newsfeed only, no right hand ads. So let's take a quick look in your ads manager. So you can just go to this toggle up here, and you can go straight into your Power Editor from there if you're in your Page Business Manager. Or if you want to go, let's go Facebook. Or if you're over here on Facebook, you can actually just click the here, Manage Adverts. in your Facebook. You can go to Business Manager, or in this case, I'll just go straight into Power Editor. Cool. All right. So we want to create a campaign. Let's run this one through Thrive Entrepreneur. Just go create a campaign. So this one here is a pizza giveaway. So let's say Mirabelle Pizza, or let's say Romano's, right? Romano's Pizza prize draw Christchurch. So it's like a general campaign name. Campaign objective depends, but there's a few ways you can optimize your conversions. Say if you're using a pixel, which in our Facebook ads for service businesses course, we show you how to set up your pixel and optimize your ad for conversions. This means that you spend a lot less per click or on your Facebook ad. You can't do that until you have your pixel installed. So we'll show you how to do that later, but you can still get really, really low cost ads just driving traffic. So this is basically paying for clicks. So for now, just select traffic, auction, just keep it as auction, advert set name. So this here is where we go, this is where the audience, Mirabelle audience, just for you guys. And then we'll just have pizza prize ad 1, because we might have more than one ad running at the same time. So just to give us a note of the levels here. So this is going to create all 3 levels, and then we're going to go through and we're going to build them out with you. Okay, perfect. Now it's going to say errors up here until we correct them, so just in the meantime, bear with me. Okay, so we've set up this level, campaign level. We're going to go to advert set. So just click advert set because it's already highlighted with a tick box here. And then click edit because we want to edit this and edit our audience. Start with a daily budget of $5. If you start any higher, you can start higher, but it just means when you start off at $5, it allows you to test your ad, make sure it's working. And then as it starts working, you can increase your budget over time. Schedule start, it'll just automatically start it as soon as possible. It says Auckland time, so time zone. We're not going to schedule an end date, but you can schedule an end date if you want to. You can schedule it for a particular time. Advert scheduling, you can either run them all the time, where you can turn them off on a schedule, like turn them off on weekends or something. We're just going to run them all the time for now. And we don't have any custom audiences set up. I mean, we do with Thrive, but not for this particular ad, so we'll just leave that. We're going to select Christchurch because then we're going to drop a pin here. So let's do that. Let's zoom in so we can see Mirabelle. All right, there we are. So let's drop the pin in Mirabelle. Boom. Let's quit off the Christchurch. Kilometers now. See, it's switched from miles to kilometers. So we're going to go 3Ks out from Mirabelle. Perfect. There you go. That's a nice little distance. Then we're gonna keep the age range open because young people and older people are gonna love the pizza, right? We're gonna go men and women because it's a pizza prize draw. Languages. If you just wanted people to speak English, then you would just put English in here. But we'll leave that out. Detailed targeting. So this is where we might target pizza lovers or something. I doubt it's gonna have that. Okay, so that's like probably a company, but you can probably type in people who like fast food, okay, like that for example, and that will drop our reach, from, hang on, let's quit this off. So okay, so pretty much 260,000 people our ad can reach so far, but then when we type in, this is an algorithm, so Facebook thinks that these people are interested in fast food. Then it drops us from 260,000 people down to 62,000 people. So automatically it sort of narrows down our audience and allows us to get a lot more focused and save a lot more money. Because if your ad, say for example, if you're a gym and you put an ad out to everyone in New Zealand, well, not everyone likes gyms. Some people like cycling and swimming. So you're wasting your money showing your ad to people who are not interested in your service. Whereas if you're a restaurant and you sell tacos, but you put your ad out to everyone, then you're also showing it to people who are interested in maybe food that's just salads or vegetables, and they're not interested in meat or any fast, food, or maybe they don't eat oils or something. So your ad getting shown to people who aren't interested in what you do. So part of the detailed targeting actually helps you to drive your costs down dramatically. So keep that in mind when you're actually doing your targeting. And we actually teach this in real detail with our Facebook Ads for Service Businesses course. So keep that in mind. Connection types. This can be people who only like your page, or friends of people who like your page, or you can exclude people who like your page if you want the ad to go to people who don't. But in this case, just keep the connection off because it will automatically show to people who like your page anyway. You can save the audience. So once you're done, you can save it, and then you can go, next time you run an ad, you can actually just search for it here. Okay. We're going to edit the placements. Like I mentioned earlier, we're going to get rid of Instagram, get rid of audience network. We're going to get rid of the articles, get rid of the right column. Just going to leave it with feeds. Now let's put the fast food in, because 240,000 people is too much, and 60,000 people in the area of Maryvale is still a lot of people. Okay. A lot of people to target, and you might only reach like maybe 2,000 of them, right, by the time your campaign finishes. So we're going to optimize for link clicks. You can go for impressions, but when it comes to Facebook ads, you're really going to save a lot of money with link clicks. Automatic or manual, you want to just set them to automatic so that Facebook will set the bid for you. The other stuff just leave when you're charged and delivery type the same. Okay, so that's our advert set. That's where we targeted our audience. Next, we're going to go into the advert itself. So we're just going to click adverts here. That's going to sort of save it as we go along. Okay, so there's still the error. So obviously the error is probably inside of this ad, basically because we haven't designed the ad at all. Okay, now you can go here and you can actually do an image with image or a video. We're going to change the page. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, cool. So throw entrepreneur. Okay. Now, usually, what's my screen doing? Sorry about that. Okay, so usually you should be able to select a page post. So let me find that. Image, video, slideshow. Yeah. I'm probably just missing it. It's probably here somewhere. Usually it's right at the top. You can select it. Let's say track conversion of the pixel because we've got the pixel turned off. Otherwise, just do not track conversions at the bottom. My computer is playing funny games with me. Okay, Facebook page, Thrive, not on Instagram. Oh, there we go. Okay, so they moved the button. So under create advert, just hit use existing post. Sorry guys, it's great that you guys can see me sort of nutting it out here, because you guys are going to have the same thing happen. Like Facebook will sort of move buttons to different places, and so this is really good. This sort of shows you guys how we're sort of, how we're sort of nutting this out. Okay, pizza post is not showing up. Let's have a look here. Just make sure it's actually here. Okay, so we have posted it 16 minutes ago. So it might be because I'm not in Chrome. So let me just open Google Chrome. I'm just going to copy this URL bar at the top. Let me just open Chrome here. I'm just going to post the URL straight, and it should let me pick up where I was editing. Not ideal, but you know, we do what we can, don't we? Okay, there we go. Okay, let's select the page. Boom, use existing post. Oh, where did it go? Okay, so all right. Well, let's cut off that. So let's say, for example, you can't find the existing post. Of course, while I'm showing you guys, Facebook has made it more challenging for me. So why is it showing anytime fitness? No, we don't want that person. Okay, so let's upload the image of the pizza, and then let's copy the text. Okay. Because this will do virtually the same thing, but usually you should be able to, in the Power Editor, you should be able to. Maybe it just didn't let me because I'd clicked boost post before or something and they want me to boost it, but let's do this. Image, video. Okay, website URL would be like romanopizza.com. Then we're going to go display, what was that website URL? Yep. So it goes to like the landing page, right? So landing page. Actually, this one here, the reason it's asking me for all this stuff is because it's not a boosted post, because it's not a post that's already existing, then I can't just go in and you know, it's not already set up. So let's just go into the text. Let's paste it in. Boom. Good luck. Display URL. Pizza.com. So that's just the display URL. That's the one that's just down here on the very bottom in block letters. Go and prize draw for today. Headline is win a large Italian pizza. There we go. So you can see here like what it's edited there. Learn more. We can change the button, or we can have no button. Could just say sign up to win a large Italian pizza, and it could go to a link on the page. But really, we're just wanting to boost the post for that. So sorry guys if I couldn't find the boost post, but usually it should show up there for you. Just to select the post, and it would just look like this, except we could edit it in real time after we've actually posted it. So this is how we set up your ad in the Power Editor, and we've shown you how to set up your ad in the on the page itself through a boost post. And that's pretty much all you need to put in there at this point. You'd put do not track conversions usually, and everything else looks like it's good to go, especially if you just selected here, use existing post, and and it had actually shown up your post itself. And then you just hit review changes and then save, and then it would go through and they would approve it. And then you go through your ads manager and you can just watch its performance as it goes along there and follow the things. But for now, I'm just going to discard the changes, and that will cancel all of that I just did. And let's go through and delete this. Boom. Delete from page, delete photo. Okay, that's now gone. All right, guys. So let's have a quick look here. So we've already been through this. Let's see. Key points in creating your ad. Yep, we covered that with you. Analyze performance. Good. Okay, so next we're going to jump into your Facebook plan. This is how you can have a plan every day of the week to know exactly what you're going to be posting on Facebook. So we're going to jump into that in just a tick.